Hi everyone, this is Manisha Khatri. I'm representing my team 05. We are working on Waste Management System Upgrade project and our client organization is Ipswich City Council. Now beginning with the introduction to my team members. Along with me there are 5 team members. They are Harleen Kaur, Kiranjit Kaur, Manjinder Singh and Manoj Nupane. Manjinder Singh is the team leader of our project who is leading our team. Now coming to the project background. We are working with Information Communication and Technology ICT department of Ipswich City Council. ICC is providing waste service facilities to the area of Ipswich. They have been performing residential and commercial waste assessment, but now ICC want to upgrade their system and they want to replace the legacy RMS Win system by initiating and funding the Waste Management System Upgrade project. This project is in execution phase and it began in January 2020. Now coming to project and description, as I already mentioned that WMS project is in its execution phase and it is adopting a 2V design on this system by involving hybrid best-in-breed system across 2 different operational service delivery channels, Stream 1 and Stream 2, for the replacement of RMS Win services. Stream 1 is regarding the West Transfer Station by Mandalay CS3, and Stream 2 is the West Track for West Fleet collection and operation services. So basically we are working in Stream 3, which will involve customer management, service provisioning, charging, pricing, billing and waste asset management. ICT department has selected pathway system for Stream 3 project, which we are working on, and ICC team is expecting analysis of the gap in Stream 1 and 2 and to identify those gaps and provide them solution to fulfill those gaps in the system of ICC. After analyzing all those documents provided to us by our client organization and all those project descriptions, we have come to the project problems such as improper planning for the collections of the waste and charging of the waste. And moreover, truck routing problem is one of the main problem identified in this project that is creating confusion to the truck drivers while collecting the bins. And all those business processes that we discussed before, like customer management, service provisioning, charging, pricing, billing, waste assessed management, on those business processes some of the gaps are identified as mentioned in this table. These are some of the research questions that we will be working on this project, and we didn't identify these informations in the documentation that has been provided to us. So some of the major research questions are: can 3Logics do skip bin hire? How can this help to manage the subcontracted or outsourced services? How is ERP system working in waste management system? And does CRM system provide the live data tracking? So these are some of the research questions to work on. Similarly, this is the project schedule for our project waste management system. There are 7 major tasks phase, and they are initiation, planning, design, testing, evaluation, and documentation and post implementation plan. We are expecting to complete this project within 61 days. Some of the major milestones on our project are are presented in this table. In initiation phase, we have primary milestone as the delivery of code of conducts and delivery of project specification to the university team and also to the ICC team. This milestone has been raised, and we are now in planning phase, where the milestone is the progress presentations to the ICC team and the university team. Similarly, all the phases has major milestones, such as in design, we have designing submission and project presentation as a milestone, and testing has developing the testing result as a milestone. In evaluation, evaluating the deliverables and presenting those things to the client is the milestone. In documentation part, documenting the final report is the milestone. And similarly, in post implementation review, peer review discussion meeting is the milestone. And as the project is completed, project closure meeting is another milestone for this phase. Mm, I'm handovering this presentations to Harleen. Thank you.
Operation as well as like with the customer engagement domestically and the commercially. Like in domestic customer engagement, customer can use like CES or the Ipswich official website, or with the commercial they can use online or mobile customer engagement. So next is the waste track, which is follow the SARS. So in this, it show the domestic wind services, how the domestic and commercial waste operation work with the felt operations, like how the truck go and like how they collect the waste from the users. And in the next slide is it's a transfer station operation, which is a part of the waste integration management mapping, in which the transfer load reporting consists of different functionalities. And the next slide is a use case. There are the four actors that are involved in the project, which are admin, financial staff, system user, and management, which work all together and present their separate role. Like the admin, which manage all the waste, which is linked with the users, financial, and the management, while the financial staff only like work with the financial reporting and upgrade the prices, like they manage all the financial things, where the user, which are the kind which basically log in, register, or and view their process, how they work. And the next slide is the emission control. This diagram is designed to provide the treatment to collect waste by the user, the various management technologies and techniques. So this is basically showing how what's the technologies and techniques are used by the Ipswich Council to collect the waste. And the next slide is basically architecture, with the system solution architecture. So in this, they show how the different type of trucks are used for different types of waste collection, and the system solution architecture, which have what they're having the advantages, like each customer service container is fully customized and flexible. They have the extension of API and apps. They can use their apps and APIs to work with. This is the dashboard mockup. Like this show how the user can register themselves on the website. Once they log in the page, this page designed when the user are registered themselves. After they have to log in into a system to access the system services. When they log in, the user will redirect to this page where user can find their product services and can choose according to their choices. And when if user want to collect with the waste, if user choose the waste collection or home page, then they can redirect to this page where they can form different options, like household bin services, commercial services, these types of options. And if user wants to choose like customer collection, then they will come to this page. On this page they can request for collecting waste. To request, they need to enter the details and shows in the figure. When it successfully submit their request, it means they completed. Thank you.